It's Miss Steyert. I'm back again today to play a math game with you. We are going to play the Teen Fish game. So to play the fish game, what we're going to need is your fish bowl. I sent home to you. I colored mine in because it's more fun. Then what you'll need is I sent some paper fish home to you, so you can use those, or you could use goldfish crackers if you have them and mom and dad say it's okay. But if you don't, that's okay. I am going to use the paper fish today. So you're going to put your fish bowl on the table. I have mine hanging up just so you can see what I'm doing a little better. So let's take a look for a minute at the fish bowl, and then I'll tell you how we're going to play the game. My fish bowl has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fish already in it. So what we're going to do when we play the game is I'm going to pick out a teen number. You're going to figure out what teen number it is. So if I pick this out, you would say it's number, right, 14. And then we're going to make sure there are 14 fish swimming in that bowl. And what we're going to think about with our teen fish game is that all the teen numbers have 10 and then some more. We're going to look at what that looks like as we're playing the game, okay? So we're going to take turns. I'm going to go first, and then we'll take turns back and forth, okay? So I'm going to pick a number, and I pick the number, what number is that? It's a 1 and a 6. What teen number is 1 and a 6? Right, 16. So when I think of 16, I can think of it two different ways. One way is I can just count it, and that's what we're going to do to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is just 16 fish swimming in the bowl. I look at that and think it's interesting though, because I can also think of 16 as these 10 fish and 6 more. So 16 is the 10 fish and 6 more. 16. Okay, now I'm going to pick a card and see if you can count that number of fish and put them in your bowl. Oh, there's that number we just talked about. What number is that? It's a 1 and a 4. What teen number is a 1 and a 4? Right, 14. So you're going to count your 10 fish. I'll count them with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to keep counting and get to 14. So we are at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Do you have 14 fish in your bowl? Great. So when I think about 14, I think it's really interesting because there are the 10 fish that are already in the bowl and 4 more. Do you see that? So you have 14 fish in your bowl. You have the 10 that were already there and 4 more. 14 is a 1 and a 4, or a 10 and a 4. Okay, clear off your board and let's try another one. I'm going to take a turn, but you can do it with me. Okay, I have the number, ooh, that's a tricky one. It's a 1 and a 5. So when I think of the numbers we just had, 1 and a 4 was 14. 1 and a 6 was 16. My brain wants to say 1 and a 5 is a 15. But 15 is not a number. What number might that be? 15, right. 15, but I'm still thinking of 15 as the numbers 1 and 5, 15. So let's count and put 15 in our tank, and then let's look at what that looks like, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 fish in my tank. But when I look at it, I think that's really interesting because it's the 10 that I had and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So it's the 10 and 5 more, 15. Okay, I'm gonna clear these off and let's have you take another turn. All right. Let's see. What about this one? What number might that be? It's a 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. What teen number might be 1 and a 7? 17, great. So let's put 17 fish in your tank. So we're gonna count the 10 and keep going until we have 17 in your tank. Are you ready? Great. 1, touch the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going and move the fish in. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Do you have 17 fish in your tank? Let's touch them all and just make sure. That's a pretty big number. So let's touch them all. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Great job. Look at that fishbowl. Can you tell me what 17 looks like in your fishbowl? It's the 10 that were already there. And how many more? It's 10 and what? Let's count the ones that you moved in. Right, isn't that interesting? 17 is really the 10 that were already there and 7 more. So 17 is 10 and 7 more. Okay, let's do another one. All right, whoopsies. I dropped 2. Sorry about that. I dropped a couple of team numbers. Okay, so let's try again. I'm gonna do this number. That's tricky. What's 1 and a 1? It sounds like it might be 1 teen, but that's not a number. It's 11. That's just when you have to remember. It's a little tricky. 11. So 11 is a 1 and a 1. So I'm going to just keep counting 1 from the 10 and see what 11 looks like in my fish tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's take a look. 11 is a 1 and a 1. What that really looks like is the 10 that were already there and 1 more. 11 is a 10 and a 1. Okay, let's see if you can do this one. That's a big number. Are you ready? Okay, so we're gonna count the fish that were already there and then you're gonna move fish in until we have 18. And I'm gonna pick up the 2 teen numbers that dropped again. Okay, let's see if we can keep those put. So 18, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 fish in your tank. And when you look at that, what does 18 really mean? It It's the 10 that were already there. And how many did you move over into the tank? Let's count them. Right, it was the 10 that were already there and 8 more that you put in the tank. So 18 is a 10 and an 8. Good job. We just have a couple more. Let's do this one. That's another one of those tricky ones because it looks like it should be 3-teen, but 3-teen is not a number. 13, right, 13. So I have the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oopsies, 12, 13. I have 13, but what 13 really is the 10 that were already there and 1, 2, 3. So 13 really means 10 and 3 more. Okay, let's do the last 2 teen numbers. Are you ready? Okay. How about you do this great big number? What's 1 and a 9? What do you think that might be? Right, 19. So we're going to count the 10 that were there and move them over till we have 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow, that is a great big number. What does 19 really mean? It's the 10 that were already there and how many more? Can you guess? Let's count and find out for sure. Let's move the fish you moved over. Let's count the fish you moved over. Right, 19 is 10 that were already there and 9 more. You are really great at this game. How about you do the last one? Okay, the last one is another tricky one. It looks like 2-teen, but 2-teen is not a number. What number is that? It's 12. So we have the 10 that are already there, and then you're going to move a couple more over. Let's count the ones that are already there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fish in your tank? That was the 10 that were already there, and how many more? Right, 2 more. Oh wow, you did such a great job filling your fish tank. Thank you so much for coming to play with me. It was so much fun, and it was great to spend some time with you. I can't wait till we're in the classroom together really soon. Bye.